Happy New Year. How you guys doing? Hope you had a great Christmas. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you had a great Halloween. I hope your whole holiday season was exactly what you wanted. I hope nobody made you do what you didn't want to do, that you had a wonderful time with your family and spent Christmas like you normally spend Christmas. All right, guys, so let me explain what we're doing here. I've got a big prime rib in the fridge, still in the fridge right now, and this is all going with it. We're going to make it's leftover Christmas prime rib. I'm going to cut it up, and we're going to make a chili out of it. I usually do it on Thanksgiving, and then make a chili with like the leftover turkey. If I smoke a brisket, leftover smoked brisket chili. This is leftover Christmas prime rib chili. That's it. So anyway, see that big box back there? I got to share this with you. Jack Jr. was hungry Christmas morning. We had bagels and cream cheese for everybody. He literally did bagel. He toasted it. He put cream cheese and he put pepperoni all over it, like a monster bagel bite. And he drizzled balsamic. Oh my goodness. It was the most unbelievable flavor I've ever tried, that I'm literally making a video called Monster Bagel Bites. I give all the credit to my son, not to me. He created it. It was amazing. It was an amazing flavor. We're probably going to toast them in the oven, get the pepperoni all nice, but it was just absolutely, what a surprise. So I'm going to do that video for you guys coming up. But right now, moving close, let's talk about all the ingredients for this leftover Christmas prime rib chili. Oh yeah, by the way, just so you know, Tammy's not here. First day she's not here. Don't tell her, but I'm a little sad. She went back to work today, and I'm filming this all on my own, and I miss her already. So anyway, moving on. Wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's run down what we got. Got some red onion, leftover red onion. I'm going to chop that up, throw it in. Red bell pepper. Thick cut smoked bacon. Got cayenne pepper right here. This is chipotle chili powder right here. This one's rotel, a can of that, the hot one. We got some tomato paste. I think we got 2 cans of beans, kidney and pinto. Adobe's in, this is chipotle in adobo sauce. This is a beer. Got to throw a beer in. You got your stock. You got 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Cuman. This one is chili powder. This one is smoked paprika. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is smoked paprika. What am I saying? I know that's smoked paprika. And some barbecue sauce. This is a sugar-free barbecue sauce by Sweet Baby Ray's. I believe it is sugar-free. Oh no, this one's the original. Sorry guys, we got the real deal here. This is regular Sweet Baby Ray's, okay? We got tons of flavor right in front of me. You guys ready to throw it all together and cook it? Let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is we got some prime rib, but it's cold. I want to sear it a little bit in here, so I'm gonna sear first on the pressure cooker, okay? So let's open this up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit it all in here. It's gonna be a lot of stuff. I may only put a pound of prime rib in here. I got about 2 pounds cut up, so we'll eyeball it, okay? Get a little oil on the bottom. There we go. All right, we have a lot of meat. I may have gone overboard on the meat, guys. It's all leftovers, but look how much meat there is. I don't think I'm using all this meat. Use about probably half. All right, so let's get the sear heated up. Then we'll dump some more meat in there. All right, I threw a few pieces of meat in there to get it sizzling. Just want to get this meat kind of crusty. Give it an outer crust. Want to put everything in. There we go. Doing just fine. Okay, I'm only going to cook the chili for 20 minutes. I was a little afraid of putting raw bacon in here, so I'm microwaving the raw bacon for about 3 minutes, get it pre-cooked. Then I'm adding the bacon in, okay? So this will be microwave bacon. You could put it in the oven if you want. I just wasn't sure it would fully cook in the 20 minutes. Oh, bacon's done. All right, dumping our bacon in. Gimme. I'm thinking we'll saute the onions while the meat's sauteing. What do you think? Yeah, let's just do it. Soften up those onions. Oh, that's a lot of meat. Uh-oh. Good thing I got the 10-quart Ninja Foodie. Toss in our bell peppers. Let the onions and bell peppers saute for a few minutes. Alright, let's put some other stuff in here. Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. I'd only put half in because you don't want it too hot. There you go. Just drop that in there. Put your 2 cans of tomatoes in there. Obviously you need your beans. Throw those in there. Your tomato paste and rotel are in this bowl. Oh, what a mess. This is going to be a great chili. Alright, open up your barbecue sauce. We're going to squirt a little bit in there. You know, maybe half a cup to a cup. Whatever your liking is. There we go. Get a little that flavor in there. Alright. Here we go. All our seasonings in one bowl. You'll see all the seasoning lists down below. Smoked paprika, pepper, salt. It's all in there. Chili powder, cumin. There we go. Last but not least, Tammy picked out Shock Top beer. So we're going to pour a can of beer in there too. There we go. Get that all mixed together. Put our beef broth in. There we go. Hold on to that beef broth. If it seems too thick, you probably want to add more beef broth, but I think I got a good consistency with the meat and the beans and the seasoning. Just going to mix this really well. Put your lid on. Close it up. Put it on seal. And do 20 minutes on high pressure. So we're going to do pressure, high, and where's our time? We need 20 minutes. And we'll do 22. There we go. Now it's building the pressure. Now just be careful, clean up while it's cooking, and we'll check back in 22 minutes. All right, guys? Okay, guys, time to open the valve. Don't forget your glove to protect your hand because it's going to be hot steam. All right, let's take a look here. Whoops, gotta get my glove. Gotta stay smart. Don't want to burn myself. Here we go. I'm gonna crack that open. Let it drip in there. All right. Okay, let's mix this around now. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Tons of meat and prime rib and beans. This is gonna thicken up just nicely. If you don't know how chilies work, they'll look like a soup when you open the lid, But let this cool down a little bit, and that will thicken up. We got paste in here to help it thicken. We got everything. We got tons of spices. Very pleased with how it came out. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that chunk of meat right there. That's a huge piece of prime rib. Oh my gosh, I gotta sprinkle some cheese on top. Yeah, cheesy. There we go. We're gonna give this a try right now. Yummers. Okay, guys, that looks amazing. Looks better than I expected. But basically, I had a lot of meat left over. If you don't have a lot of meat left over, then cook up some chuck, cook up some more prime rib, cook up whatever meat you can afford, chop it up, and make yourself some chili for the wintertime. It's a perfect time for chili, and I'm pretty excited about this. Cheddar cheese, you can put shredded cheese, diced onions, sour cream. There are a bunch of different toppings. Jalapenos, things you can put on top of the chili when you serve it. All right? If you have any questions about making this chili or any other chili, just write me and let me know, all right? So let's give this a try. You can taste the salt, the chili powder, the meat. Oh. Uh-oh. Family's gonna kill me. I may have made it too spicy. Better go make some garlic bread. It's really, really flavorful. It's really good. I probably should have backed off on the spicy seasonings, the chipotle powder. I'm going to lessen it a little bit in the recipe. This is why I do it first. I show you if it fails. I show if it succeeds. And then I recommend you do the recipe down below. So I'm going to lessen the amounts down below. You'll have a final recipe down below this video. Have fun with this. Take out what you don't like. If you don't want any heat, take out all the, chipotle, chili powder, chipotles. Take it all out. All right? But this came out really good. It's very flavorful. I'm going to eat this big chunk of meat. But I'm not going to do it while you're watching. All right? I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.